The Electronic Program Guide, or EPG, is an essential feature of your Verizon Fios TV service that provides current and upcoming television schedules, program descriptions, and recording capabilities. However, EPG issues are common and can be frustrating. You might see no information available, experience slow loading times, or find that guide data is missing or outdated. The most effective solution is a power cycle reset, which resolves approximately 85% of EPG problems. This simple process involves unplugging your Fios box from power for 30 seconds. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, check your coaxial cable connections. Loose or corroded connections can prevent guide data from being received properly. Keep in mind that EPG issues occur more frequently during peak viewing hours, typically between 7 and 11 p.m., due to network congestion. If problems persist during these times, try the troubleshooting steps during off-peak hours. These quick fixes resolve the majority of Fios EPG problems. The power cycle reset is your best first step, followed by checking connections if needed. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your EPG issues, the next step is resetting your network connection. This addresses connectivity problems that may prevent guide data from updating properly. Navigate to your Fios box settings menu, then select Network, followed by Reset Network Settings. This will clear any corrupted network configurations that might be blocking guide updates. After resetting, you'll need to reconfigure your internet connection. Allow 20 to 30 minutes for the guide data to fully refresh and repopulate with current programming information. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. However, this is a drastic measure that will erase all your settings, recordings, and personalized configurations. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, as this action cannot be undone. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Proper placement and maintenance of your Fios box can prevent many EPG issues from occurring in the first place. Ensure your Fios box has proper ventilation with at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides. Keep it away from heat sources like radiators, direct sunlight, or other electronic devices that generate heat. Establish a regular maintenance schedule. Check for system updates weekly, verify signal quality monthly, and consider an annual professional signal assessment to ensure optimal performance. If problems persist despite these troubleshooting steps, especially with signal quality issues or suspected hardware problems, it's time to contact Verizon support for professional assistance. Before calling support, document all error messages, note when issues occur, and have your account information ready. List all troubleshooting steps you've already attempted to help technicians provide faster, more targeted assistance. Remember, most EPG issues can be resolved through systematic troubleshooting, but professional support is available when needed. Regular maintenance and proper care will keep your Fios system running smoothly.